Good morning, everybody. It is 7 o'clock in the morning here in Kinsarvik. It's a municipality in Norway with the highest radon outdoors levels in Europe. So today is the last day of the Rooms 2022 meeting. And we came to this fantastic, amazing, outstanding location. Look at that. This is the Norwegian fjords, 7 in the morning. And come on, I mean, the view is absolutely, heartbreaking. This is the hotel. You can see here behind me, the hotel where we stayed yesterday overnight. And yeah, we enjoyed the swimming pool, the spa. It's absolutely an amazing place. I decided to wake up early today to come here and to take some pictures, to enjoy nature. Now you can understand why people in northern countries are absolutely obsessed with nature. It's impossible not to be. Today we will have some meetings about to discuss radon outdoor levels, and I would like to say thank you, big thank you to Sentak, to the local organizers of the Rooms 2022, and to take us here, bring us here to Kinsarvik. It's a great idea. So thank you very much, and enjoy the view of the Norwegian fjords. Bye bye, hej då!